Hey girl, what's going on? I don't know. Look at that. Doesn't that look so creepy?
Do your thumbs up.
Woo! What's up, you guys? Okay, I know that you've all heard of the game, Would You Rather? But this is Would You Rather Extreme.
Extreme.
Meaning Lana and I are gonna ask each other questions and we're gonna decide what we would rather, and then we actually have to do it. What are you doing back there?
Yeah, smiling.
What would you rather? Play this game?
Uh-huh.
Or would you rather log off my channel right now?
I would rather everybody watch this.
Okay.
And then log off when they're done.
Well, we're super excited about it. I'm sure it's gonna get crazy. Thank you to Lana for sponsoring this video.
It's an unsponsored video. You guys should be very happy. Are you okay?
Yo, it's the fact that we literally wore the bummiest clothes. Here I am in, it's actually not bummy clothes.
It's
This is
Laboot. I was
my
about to
Laboot
correct
swag.
you.
Thank you. Let the fun begin. So we're gonna start easy with just verbal ones.
Would you rather talk like Yoda or breathe like Darth Vader?
What does Darth Vader
I don't know what
read
Yoda
like?
sounds like or Darth Vader. No, I know Darth Vader. That's like that, like, Luke, I am your father. Actually, fun fact, you guys, have you ever heard of the Mandela effect? Fun fact, Google the Mandela effect. And actually, before you Google it, answer this question. Comment below if you believe that in the movie Star Wars, Darth Vader, whatever his name is, says, Luke, I am your father. Or does he say, I am your father?
So what does that have to do with Mandela effect?
Mandela effect is when you remember something differently than it ever actually was. So there's all these examples online, like Bernstein Bears. Did the Monopoly guy have a ring around his eye
Oh,
or
yes.
not?
You know I always get those wrong.
Well, the question, is it Luke, I am your father, or I am your father? How the heck do we get to this? Oh, Darth Vader's voice.
I rather talk like Yoda because I already talk like Yoda.
We literally
like-
will receive a text message from Lana and then sit and be like,
Deciphering
yo,
it.
what you think this says? Like, you feel like this means no? I'm a little unsure. At this point, I'm like, send a voice note because I don't know what the heck you're typing.
And even my voice notes like, event you want to do. Right?
Okay, so you're going to
It's
talk like Yoda.
multitasking.
I'm totally fine with being, is it Dark Vader?
Darth.
I've been calling that man Dark for mad years. Okay, I'm actually gonna kick this one off and I'm gonna challenge you.
Okay.
What would you rather? Eat the Cheerios that you're already eating
Uh-huh.
with orange juice
No.
instead of milk? Or would you prefer to just drink orange juice that has been microwaved?
I'd rather take hot orange juice. Cereal with orange juice is disgusting.
All right, I'm gonna go microwave it for you. That's the Mandela effect. Did Adrienne get up and microwave it? I remember she got up and she microwaved it. What?
It smells like Tang.
I like Tang.
That's how
My
you knew
tita
you were
used to
raised
give
in
me
the
Tang.
hood because it was a big $5.99 thing
Yes,
and you.
my tita used to give me Tang growing up and I loved it. Comment below if you too are a fan of Tang. Okay, taste it.
All right.
Hot. I feel like we've had orange tea. Think of it like that.
That's really good.
Say Bible.
Bible.
Now I want to taste it.
Wow. It tastes like a good tea.
Really?
It's really good. I would drink that on a regular day.
This is really good.
It's like cider. Apple cider.
Oh, it's like apple cider hot, yeah.
But you said you would rather do this, so give me this. And you eat your cereal with your orange juice. Thank you.
That's really good.
With-
I actually said that I would rather have my cereal with orange juice poured in it. I've never done this before. Unlike Lana, if I ran out of milk, I just ate it dry. But here we go, I'm down to try. That rhymed. I ate it dry,
Yeah,
but here we go, I'm down to try.
You're a rapper and everything.
Straight-
Mix it a little,
straight
make
bars.
it soggy a little bit, you know? It's nasty, right?
That's really bad.
Here, you can have this one.
Yeah, that's bad.
Yeah, I never finished my cereal that day. I didn't have milk.
Why would you do that?
I was a kid. I was like going to school. I was like, let me have a nutritious breakfast. I opened the fridge. It's like expired milk. I was
Ugh.
like, Mom. And she was like, put water. I said, let me
Have you
just
ever
put
drank
orange juice.
expired milk?
Yeah, it's disgusting.
Yo.
One time I thought it was a, huh? I know, she's still eating it.
I'm hungry.
You like it a little bit.
I'm trying to figure out what it is.
Orange juice and Honey Nut Cheerios. What are you trying to figure out? Okay, next up, Adrienne, would you rather take a spoonful of mustard or shoot an egg?
I'm definitely going with a spoonful of mustard because I am not, just the look of this egg, and that could give me salmonella poisoning or something. No, thank you.
Oh my
That's
God.
a health hazard. And I do not even like mustard like that. I just started eating
Me
mustard.
too, I was just about to say that.
When we moved to the house in Calabasas, nah, you bugging, don't do that. I'm literally telling you, don't do that. That's not healthy for you.
Smelling it was worse.
I don't even want to know what
Smell
that
it.
smells like. No, I'm not gonna smell that.
Don't do too much.
I really have to have this.
It's our producer's first day on the job and it's gonna be her last day. I just want everybody to know that.
Lana, you first.
Here.
I feel like it tastes like Middle Eastern food. It's okay. 1, 2, 3. You could do it. Swallow. Swallow. You gotta do it. You gotta swallow it. Don't throw up. You gonna throw up? Don't throw up. Just swallow tequila. Come on. Oh, your eyes are watery. Oh man. You did it. You have some on your lip. Yeah, good job.
That's a health hazard. I'm gonna throw up, seriously.
What would you rather? Peel a banana with no hands
Look,
or drink a cup of water while jumping up and down?
I'm gonna go for the banana because I don't know, I forgot how to drink in cups for some reason. I've been drinking out of a straw for like so long that I spill either way.
I know this is gonna sound so bizarre. I have a very strange pet peeve. At restaurants, what is the first thing I do with my water?
What?
I smell the glass. I have this, I don't know how to say this in English, pero me da asco. Like I literally get like
If it smells like...
grossed out if it smells like the rag that they clean. And you can go to the fanciest of fancy restaurants.
Let me see this one.
Sniff your glass before you drink that water, yo.
No, it smells fine.
This is our house. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so you're gonna do this one.
I'll do the banana. What are you gonna do?
I honestly was gonna do the banana too.
Oops,
Can't even catch the banana. Let me try again.
Okay. It's great.
So
Can I get a banana? Thank you. All right,
All right, so what do we do?
put your banana there. And my banana.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Ready?
Wait.
Boy, don't knock over the water. Ready?
Wait, you
One.
can't use your hands?
You cannot use your hands. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, definitely not doing that.
Oh, I'm about to kill this.
You didn't say arms, right?
Oh, I'm peeling.
No, hold on. Whoa! Yo, you got strong. Do mine too then.
Watch out. Wait. Yo, I would kill this. There we go. Look at that. Nice and easy does it. Nice and easy.
You won this one.
Nice and easy does it.
I can't reach it.
Sweetie, you want me to do yours so you can eat it? I got clean feet.
Here, do this. Hey, take it from here. Oh my God. Yo, you are a champion. I have to give you, by the way, she picks up everything with her feet. Everything. You won that one, and I dirtied myself for no reason.
Strong toes, y'all.
Okay, A, would you rather hold a plank for 3 minutes or do jumping jacks for 3 minutes?
3 minutes? A plank? All right, I would go for the plank.
Yeah,
What would you do?
I'll jumping jack.
For 3 minutes?
Yeah, I could do this for 3 minutes. I'm not trying to use abs that I don't have
hate
for 3
cardio.
minutes.
Here we go, ready? Set me up. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Oh! Is this even a jumping jack?
How much longer? Jesus. Lana! on.
Okay. You got this, sis. I believe in you.
How much longer? Holy Jesus.
I can't. I would rather do it, but I just physically can't. You know what I mean? How about we change the challenge, Abe?
What?
Do 1 minute of plank. I'm gonna watch you for 1 minute, okay?
Let me go the other direction. I feel like this is better for my morale. 2, 3. Can somebody count or something?
No, the timer's on, don't worry.
Tell me where we at.
You're at 30 seconds. Just kidding, you're at 9.
Read it.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Almost there, girl.
How much more?
You have like 59 seconds left.
Come on, for real.
Hold on, let me see. You have 20 seconds left.
Okay.
You okay?
No, come on, for real, read it.
You have 15 seconds.
Count down 10.
Okay, ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You didn't do it. You did 59 seconds. I'm just kidding. Good job. That was really good.
Next one, we're taking this to the phone now. Lana's got her phone in her hand, and I'm about to ask her, what would she rather? Lana, would you rather go live right now on Instagram or that I post any picture I want of you on your feed?
No, I hate when stuff goes on the feed. I'd rather you just go live, delete it later.
Have you ever been live on your Instagram?
Yeah, once when I was drunk. And I would never do it again.
You're doing it right now.
I mean, for the game.
Let me see.
What's up, you guys? What does Adrienne know in Arabic?
I know inshallah, like God willing. I also know,
Alhamdulillah.
oh, alhamdulillah, I know that. What else I know? I know something else.
You know hummus?
I know, but I know something else.
What? You know how to say someone's mom?
Oh, yeah. Umbrahim.
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 Y'all need any more people?
Brahim's mom.
Yeah.
Adrienne, your hair isn't bad. You look great. Oh, thank
Adrienne
you.
looks beautiful.
People on here writing in Arabic.
We're doing a video called Would You Rather on All Things Adrienne right now, and we will take someone's question and answer it on this YouTube channel.
Would you rather never use lashes again or never use chapstick again?
Never use lash.
Chapstick.
Are you for real?
I mean, no. I got it backwards.
I'm like, yo, you're the most, you have so much lip skincare.
I literally am obsessed with lip balm. So I would have bald eyes for the rest of my life and juicy, luscious lips. Would you rather give up hookah or Hennessy?
Hennessy.
You can't give up hookah?
No, because you can get another drink. You can't get another hookah. You'd rather keep your job with A or have a different job. Don't get me fired on this episode. Just kidding. I'd rather keep my job with A.
Alright, peace out, you guys. She's not gonna get fired now.
I am?
Next question. Would you rather freestyle rap about any topic that I pick or let me read your Google search out loud?
Listen, look, I didn't search sneezing and orgasms, so I feel confident that if you went through my search history, it'll be all right. But can I look first?
No, you can't.
Let me just look first.
No, you can't. Tell her that that's not the game. No. Size 35, women's shoes.
That's clearly for you.
2022 Forbes under 30 list. 91344 Google search. Why are we looking up this area code? I mean, the zip code. 91344.
What is that? What area?
The postal code. You looked it up. What you mean? What is that?
Clearly, I didn't.
91344. Why? What you looking for there?
I have no idea. Why am I?
Granada Hills.
Oh, I was probably checking what Granada Hills zip code is.
Wow Beauty Supply. Car. Google search. You just Google searched car?
No, I don't.
The word car? Yours are not interesting.
I know.
Wooden swing sets.
Can you stop, please? Just
And
stop.
Jimmy Choo. There was 14 tabs.
Okay, let me go through yours.
No.
Yes,
Bible.
yes.
I didn't say that. I'm ready to freestyle rap.
Let me see yours.
I was gonna freestyle rap.
You cleared your history? You're so shady.
No, I didn't.
Literally all shopping.
Go.
Bergdorf, Jimmy Choo, clothing, House of CB.
Olivia Van Hale.
All things Adrienne. You watch yourself on the
No,
internet
I
or
watched.
what? Orgasms while sneezing. Just kidding. I found 3 dead flies in my house. Yeah. I need to. This is the best episode of all things.
I came back to my house in LA and there were 3 dead flies next to each other. And I said, yo, am I next? Like, if they're dropping, I didn't want to be in that room and start breathing whatever air they breathed that made them drop dead.
Yo.
So read it. I found 3 dead flies in my house next to each other looking alive. They did look alive.
Yours is so boring.
No, I looked up. No, I had good stuff. Cuba. I saw something about Cuba. Oh.
Cube of cheese.
Emily Blunt.
You literally have the most boring search history ever.
All right, that's enough. I don't know.
Why is it enough now? Why is it enough now? Why is that enough now?
Next one is going to be, would you rather that I pour sriracha in your mouth, like as much as I want, and you have to swallow it, or jump in my pool, which might I add, I have not heated, and it's like 50 degrees outside right now at night in LA.
Extreme.
I'd rather go home. I don't like this game. That's what I'd rather do. What are you gonna do?
I'll eat spicy. I love sriracha.
All right, let's go. I'll go to the pool.
No way.
Get up. I'll go to the pool.
Okay, so I'm gonna take this, and you're gonna jump in the pool.
Let's go. Let me
Let's do
take
it.
my watch off.
Come with us right now. Lana's jumping in the pool. I'm gonna take some of this hot sauce, and that is it for What Would You Rather. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you laughed as much as we did. Don't
Dead
forget
flies.
to subscribe. Let's go.
I'd rather just run because I won't feel it. Let me get a head start. Oh my God, it's freezing. You better take that hot sauce
I am not gonna take this hot
Yes,
sauce.
you are.
Swim well.
It is cold in here. Take that hot sauce right now. There you go. All things Adrienne.